came to the Vlerick Experience Day in Amsterdam this year because I would like to be inspired, and that also is what happens today. The two workshops were very interesting and energized me again a lot. And it's always nice to meet other people who work in other companies and to discuss and to learn from each other how they deal with innovations and digital leadership and things like that. So it was a great day.
I joined the Vlerick Experience Day in Amsterdam today because I wanted to see for myself what the programs are about, what the climate is of the education, and how the programs look like, to see if it's something that I can benefit from. The highlights of my experience today was to get some very good practical examples of the program, to see how theory is actually used in a very useful way, and also to meet the staff and to get the vibe and the energy from all the people that are involved with Vlerick.